Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory piece that we just got in. It's a Scout 260 LXF. It's a 2025 model. We have it equipped in the full hull color shark gray, paired beautifully with this black rub rail with a stainless steel insert to match our midnight package. It's going to have black accents throughout, along with our black hardtop legs. Also matching will be our twin Mercury 200s. We have them equipped in black. Great power package for this boat. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the 2025 260 LXF from Scout Boats, we have a full walk-through transom at the back here, which allows you to access both port and starboard of this boat. As we enter into the cockpit area, we have a nice transom door here that allows us to cut off and lock if you have any small children or pets on board, to be able to be nice and safe. We do have undergunnel rod storage on both port and starboard sides, along with rod holders and cup holders throughout the back of the transom. We do have a very nice, large, deep live well here. If you're not into fishing, it could act as a large trash can or even a nice cooler while you're out on the boat. We do have a very nice chase seat back here. Very comfortable, high backrest, within arm's reach if you are going through a little bit choppy water. And if you do want to fish, you can fold up nice and easy, get things out of the way to be able to maneuver around the transom here. We do have very nice access here, as Scouts always do, to our bilge area. Nice, clean, finished off area underneath. We do have fish boxes on port and starboard side. They are drained. Nice, easy access to be able to store ice, fish, anything down there. Even if you want to throw some life jackets down there while you're underway, easy access. We do have a very nice boarding door here. Be able on the port side here to throw a ladder on the side, so you have two access points to be able to board while you are sitting in the water as well, and then easy close up and latch while you're underway. I do have a very nice area back here with a freshwater sink. Nice deep freshwater sink, along with cutting board, rod holders, and cup holders. We do have some tackle storage up here if you were to be fixing some cocktails or drinks, or even preparing some bait while you're out fishing as well. Underneath, we do have nice tackle storage, along with a trash can with a bottle opener right above. And then we do have our Yeti cooler here, which is on a magnet base. It's a very nice feature that Scout has started to do as well. And one more tackle storage drawer here as well. Up top on the hardtop, we do have our rocket launchers, which match nicely with this Midnight Edition boat that we have. You see we have them in the black as well. We do have JL audio speaker system in the hardtop on this 26-foot Scout. Will be the first model when they start incorporating speakers into the hardtop JL audio system throughout with our Fusion stereo system. Now that we're at the helm, very nice, comfortable place to be able to captain this boat. So you can see we have the bolster flipped up right now. If you wanted to stand and lean, easy flip down access here if you would like to sit while captaining. Also, we do have some flip down armrest as well. We got our upgraded Edson steering wheel here that is on a tilt base. We've got wireless mounted phone chargers on port and starboard side of the helm here. We have our digital throttle and shift for those twin 200 Mercuries. Upgraded 12-inch Garmin screens on both sides, which is very nice. I love how Scout has started incorporating a very flush mounted system here. It's a great thing that they've been doing, and they've started doing on all their newer models. We do have, as we do on all of our Scout boats, our mounted compass. And then up top here, we will have a Mercury vessel view screen, one more screen to display all of our engine data, so we won't have to flip off of charts or fish finders or anything while underway on these Garmins. We do have switches here up top as well for all of our nav lights, spreader lights, horn, anything, live wells that you may need while you're underway. Easy access at the helm here. As we move forward towards the bow, we do have a very nice spacious area down below with a vacuum flush head. We will also have access to all of our switches, battery switches, and breakers. So if you need to troubleshoot any problem you may have, that'll be access to that down below. As we move up in the bow, very spacious, nice roomy area to be able to enjoy the water. Very nice lounge seat here. I'm 6'4" for reference, so very comfortable. Also have flip down bolsters here as well. So you and one other adult will be able to enjoy this area. As we flip it up, very nice spacious area. Also where our dive ladder will be stored that I mentioned earlier, and also our freshwater fill will be located as well. We do have this boat equipped with a bow filler cushion that we currently have in place. Allows us to turn this area into a larger sun pad area, easily removable, and stow underneath where we showed the head area is. So if you don't want to use this area as a sun pad, we do have the ability to take this out and use it as normal U-shaped seating. Both backrest here, if you were to be in fishing mode, will remove along with all of these cushions, so you can use this area as a nice casting platform if you would like as well. Up here we do have a anchor windlass. Very nice feature on a 26-foot boat. We do have a connection here for some raw water wash down, or freshwater wash down, excuse me, to be able to spray off our anchor chain and anchor, and then easily secure it here. Do have foot pedals up here, so you would be able to raise and lower that windlass here while standing, still having eyes on the anchor. We do have the boat also equipped with bow rod and cup holders, so if you wanted to shade this front area, you do have the ability to do so. Also, similar to the speakers in the back of the hardtop, we do have two JL Audio speakers here in the front, along with our spreader light system to be able to illuminate while you're underway. Thanks for joining me today on this walkthrough of this 2025 260 LXF from Scout Boats. If you'd like to learn more about this or any of the other products that we offer, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on MarineMax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed with MarineMax Charleston. Thanks for watching.